recording.
Bye bye, Yubi Hibi Crater. Guess we have to make a left here. Oh, are we connected? Okay, I'm connected somehow to somebody.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you. All right.
All right. So, you guys are going to be coming back the same way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I decide to come back, you can go on. And if I have a fault or something, then you'll be eventually coming here,
Yeah.
right? So I didn't want you to do like what you did earlier, to like drop me back all the way.
Hey, don't take my line. I'm a little bit sketchy.
Okay, I think I need to stay behind, far
For the
behind.
most part, this is not too deep. It's
Yeah.
not a washboard. So.
Oh, I forgot to change my mode. Ooh. Okay. Enduro Pro it is. And cars go here, right? So
Yeah.
look out for cars.
Jeep. 4x4.
Okay.
And towards the edge of the road, it feels like it is packed, but it is actually very soft.
Yeah. So stay in the middle.
Yeah.
This is kind of...
Are you behind me?
No.
I'm behind. Vinay is behind you. Okay, Vinay. All right. Hey, Raj, it looks all new, man, this one. Raj?
Yeah, you have to keep your face a little bit up.
I can't hear you. What's that?
Now, you have to keep your face a little up.
Say it again.
Go a little faster.
No, I can't. It's sketchy. Do you want me to stop?
No, go.
No, I'm asking Raj. I'm on second gear. Raj, is that good? I guess.
Oh, loose sand.
Oh, really? Yeah, thanks for the heads up.
Okay.
Okay, choppy, choppy, choppy. I'm okay so far. I don't know which loose sand was he talking about. Is it further up? Or did I pass it already? This might be it, right?
Yeah, don't try to fight it too much.
Don't what? Raj, can you hear me? Anybody? That was interesting. Ah! We lost. Yeah.
Yeah,
What?
it's the same every time.
Maybe from here. It's against the light.
Are you guys doing fine?
Yeah.
Okay. But that mountain behind you is like,
Oh, I see.
yeah. Stand there.
You guys need us to come or
No,
you
no.
manage?
Now we're taking pictures.
We're taking pictures.
All right. But you'll have to go slightly faster, otherwise
Yeah.
it's going to keep that. And closer to the edge of it.
Okay.
Then
Ah. Whew. Wait. Ah, side stand. Oh, side stand. There's no space for it. Oh, but I think okay. I'll just hold on. All right. You can stand up and hold. Then I can get up. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.